get this super pretty, super easy glam makeup look. I did not really use a lipstick. I just used a gloss, and I did some eyeshadow for eyeliner and all that. This is perfect for everyday wear, or if you want to wear this at night, it could be done up a little bit to make it night appropriate. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Hey you guys, so I already have one eye done, and I have my other eye primed. And I'm going in with my Lorac Pro Mega 4 palette. And first of all, I'm going to be taking the shade Mocha. It's just really, really pretty brown right there. And I'm just going to go ahead and take Mocha and just put it in my transition area. And I am layering this up a few times just to get the intensity that I want. Then I'll be going in with the shades Mahogany right here and Black Cherry right here. Just these two dark shades. And I'm taking those on a little bit more dense of a brush. I'm making sure to really tap off the excess. And then I'm just going right in the crease with these two shades. Go back in with Mahogany, or what is this? I'll go back in with Mocha, just blend a little bit more. And now I'm going to take some of Lotus, this really pretty purple shade right there. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this and go ahead and put this into the crease. This shade is a little bit shimmery, but that's okay. Just to tie in the purple a little bit. Then I'm just going to go in with my finger and take Lotus and put it all over the lid. Then I'm going to take some of Unicorn, this really pretty light purple right here on the edge. And I'm going to take some of that on my finger as well and just pop that right in the middle. And now, to give the look of liner, I'm going with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking this reddish purple shade right here, and I'm mixing it in with this darker shade right here. So I'm taking this shade and this shade. And I'm just starting out that reddish purple shade, and I'm just going to go ahead and take this and push it right on the lash line. I'm going over with that darker shade. Just going to press that in right on top. Then I will just go back in with a little bit of those lid shades. Just to touch up a teeny little bit. Okay. So moving on to the skin, I'm going in with my Lorac Spackle Treatment Even Toned Makeup Primer. It just has some luminosity to it. I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over the face. Now, as you can see, this gives a nice, pretty golden glow to the skin. Ignore my dogs, y'all. I don't know what they're doing down there, but they need to chill. So for foundation, I'm going with my Laura Mercier Candle Glow Soft Luminance Foundation in the shade Dusk. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. Since this foundation is a little bit dark for me, I'm going to make sure and bring it down my neck. Then once I get all that applied with a brush, I'm just going to go in with my Beauty Blender and then just blend this in a little bit more and make sure there's no excess product. So whenever we're done with that, then I'm just going to go in with my Sephora concealer. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to all the places that I want to highlight. And I'm going with my Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to blend those out. I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder. I'm just going to set underneath my eyes. I'm also going to take this powder and just set everywhere that we put that concealer. Sit for too long. I'm going to go ahead and brush everything away. Take all the excess powder and just use it to set the rest of my face. Then for bronzer, I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and this little EcoTools brush. I'm just going to begin bronzing up my cheekbone area. Then I'm also going around the forehead. I'm going with this beautiful blush from Lorac. It's called Cinematic. It's just like a nice pinky plum shade. Just going to go ahead and apply that to the backs of my cheeks and then work my way into the apples of the cheeks. And I always go a little bit too heavy with my blush, so I always just go back in with my powder brush and just blend it out a little bit. Then for highlight today, I'm going in with my Becca Ski Glow face palette. I'm going with this really pretty pink highlighting shade right here from Becca. It's called Rose Quartz. And I am just going to pick that up on my fan brush and apply it to all the high points of my face. So now that we are highlighted, I'm going to go ahead and take some more of my loose powder. And I'm just going to put this right underneath my cheekbones just to clean that area up a little bit. So while that bakes underneath my contour, I'm going to go ahead and finish off my lower lash line, which is going to be like super simple. I am just going to take some of those two darker shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to put them right into my lower lash line. But I'm not bringing this all the way in. I'm just going on the outer corner of the lower lash line. then once I have that put down, I'm going to go in with my little blending brush, and I'm going to take the shade Mocha, that really pretty first shade that we used, and I'm just going to blend this out with that Mocha shade. And then I'm going with my fluffy brush with no extra product on it, and I'm just going to make sure everything's blended down there. So now I'm just going to run off camera and do my mascara and my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just went off camera and did my eyebrows and put on mascara. Now I changed and took my hair out and everything. So to finish off this look, I'm going to go ahead and brush off this excess powder down here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone. I'm going in with the shade Foam from this Lorac palette. It's just a white shimmery shade. And I'm just going to apply this underneath the brow bone. And in the inner corner. Ooh, that color is really, really pigmented. I was not expecting that. Since that color was like way more pigmented than I expected, I'm just going to go back in with my fluffy brush. Just kind of blend that highlighting shade with the other shadows. So since that's done, I'm going to go ahead and set my brows into place with my e.l.f. Clear Lash and Brow Mascara. So now I'm going to go on with the finishing touch. I'm going in with this NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Tiramisu. And I'm just applying this onto the lips. And then this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me a nice comment, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone, thanks for watching!